How to show Facebook page latest postings on Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to show Facebook page latest postings on Wix. For that, what you have to do is just connect your Facebook page to your Wix account. First, you have to come to your dashboard of Wix, your home page, and then once you land over here, just scroll until you see this settings option and just click the settings option, and then you can see this dashboard open. Here you have to scroll down until you see this communications and inbox settings. Click inbox settings and it's going to load this page for you. Here you have these four options: notifications, channels, emails, and profile and team. Just go to this channels option and here you can see there's my Facebook page. You can view and reply to Facebook messages from your inbox, and here you just have to connect your Facebook page. Just click connect page, and once you click connect page, here you have to log in with your Facebook account with Wix apps and put your password and click login. Once you log in, you can just connect the page that you have created or you want it to connect to your Wix account, and then you can just show your Facebook page latest postings just by connecting. Right now I don't have a Facebook page, so it is not connected, but if you have one, you can follow this process to do so. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.